a wooden dragon fruit. Let's cut it. Now a real dragon fruit. Soft and juicy, with tiny black seeds. Dragon fruit comes from a type of cactus. An oval-shaped avocado. Let's cut it. Inside this avocado is a big round pit. Avocado is also known as the alligator pear. A big slice of watermelon. Let's cut it. It's green on the outside and bright red inside. Fresh and juicy. Watermelon is 92% water. A hard brown coconut. Let's cut it. A fresh brown coconut. Hard shell outside, soft and juicy inside. Coconuts can float in the ocean. A small, red, wooden rambutan. Let's cut it. A bright red rambutan with soft, hairy spikes. Red and spiky outside, soft and sweet inside. Rambutan is sweet and juicy inside, like a grape. A golden pineapple. Let's cut it. A fresh, spiky pineapple. Bright yellow and juicy inside. A pineapple is made of many small fruits joined together. A bright wooden star fruit. Let's cut it. A fresh yellow-green star fruit. Cut into bright star-shaped slices. Star fruit gets its name from its star shape when sliced. A bright and smooth mango. Let's cut it. A fresh mango full of tropical flavor. Sweet and juicy. Mango grows in tropical climates. A red lychee. Let's cut it. A fresh lychee with a rough red shell. From bumpy red shell outside to sweet white inside. Lychee has a sweet floral flavor. Which tropical fruit do you like most?